Hey guys, welcome to Sophomore Advisory. I just wanted to do a quick video announcement now that you've gotten your laptop to just kind of go over a couple of the handouts that you got that were tucked into your planner, and just kind of make sure that you know everything that needs to be done and where we're meeting virtually next week. So first of all, I'm Mr. James. I am your sophomore advisor. For those of you that don't know me, I'm also going to be your social studies teacher. Really looking forward to getting to know you guys a little bit more, and we'll do a little bit more getting to know you stuff in that first week. But just when you see me, I'm a sophomore advisor over here. So the first thing that you guys got is a letter from me. It should be on that purple sheet. I want you to be sure to review that on your own, but also with the parent, just so you know what the expectations are for our advisory class. And this check sheet right here really tells you all the things that need to be done before we meet on Tuesday. So the first thing that's on that sheet is to make sure that you complete the welcome survey. If you haven't done that already, you can do that. You just go to that tiny URL, tinyurl.com/welcome to PGA. And this should be open for anyone at PGA, but just kind of gives us a little more info about you as a student. The next thing you need to do is enroll in the Sophomore Advisory Google Classroom. So you can do that just by going to Classroom. Let me click here, classroom.google.com and logging in with your PSD username and password. Just as a reminder, all the passwords were reset to PGA 2020 and then your ID number, all in caps there. So you should have logged in when you were on campus here, but if that's not the case, make sure that your password, you're using the correct password. But our Google Classroom code, I'll display it up there so you can pause and follow along and get logged in. Basically, you're going to see this video under that first classwork tab there in our classroom, and that's kind of what I'm working on right now, is setting out that assignment, which does need to be done by Tuesday, which is essentially just checking off everything that's on our purple sheet here. Okay. The other sheet that we had for you is a yellow sheet. This one also details a little bit about the schedule and things that need to be done before Tuesday. But also down here, it tells you all about what our schedule is going to look like on Tuesday. We're essentially running what is a Monday schedule on Tuesday with advisory happening first. And then the last thing I had for you, I sent you with 2 copies of a synchronous live class schedule, basically, of when the remote learning times are happening. We will fill these out together during our first advisory class. So you can kind of save this, but don't lose it. You should also have your detailed schedule from your counselors that tell you which classes you're enrolled in. So we'll kind of fill that out during our first advisory session. So what you guys need to do basically from now to until our advisory session is review that material, okay? Head to our Google Classroom. I'll have links to the survey that we mentioned, the sophomore letter home, that's the purple sheet, all the other materials. And then I do want you to open up that sophomore letter home. And at the bottom, there should be a place for you and your parents to sign it and all that good stuff to kind of say that you reviewed everything and that you did all of that stuff. We will be meeting in advisory on Tuesday at 9 o'clock in this Google Classroom. Let me show you how to get there real quick, how to navigate to there. So if I go to classroomgoogle.com, And then I'm logged into Sophomore Advisory here. You'll see our Meet link is right there. So that's where you need to go on Tuesday at 9 a.m. and we will kind of go over what a little bit of more what Tuesday and the rest of the week is going to look like. Really looking forward to our advisory class this year. If you guys have any questions, you can email me. You know, my contact info is on that purple sheet that you guys got. You can also text me at that number there or call me, all that good stuff, or reach out to me in Microsoft Teams. Have a excellent weekend. Looking forward to seeing you guys on Tuesday.